Good morning, everybody. First video on YouTube. Just going to be going over my analysis, what I post. So I'll basically be using it as like a vlog or a place where I can record all the analysis that I do. I can look back over time, see where I went wrong, see where I went right. Today I've just released gold buy, which I'll go over now for you. So if we look on the gold chart, start on the monthly. There we go. Okay, so we had the supply zone here, which caused the big drop for a number of years. And we've had a big rally since, 2019? You could probably say 2015. But I'd say the demand here, I would say, that's another big demand zone. Okay. So we're looking on the chart. This demand zone here, so price has moved up, price consolidates. It touched the supply zone, which means it caused price to move down. This demand zone is very strong because it caused price to push through the supply zone, which was created here. Amongst this consolidation cones, these dots are called 50% candles. So it's something that I'm learning from White Oak University. He's a great teacher of trading. So I'm currently learning his university ongoing. I have another class today. Now, as you can see, price moved up, created a supply zone here with this consolidation candle. So we've got a strong monthly supply zone above. And we can knock it down to the weekly charts now. You see everything a bit clearer. But the trend line, you can see, I think that's a weekly demand zone. Okay. So today I've posted out a buy. Looks like a strong zone here. And if we go back down to the daily, there's a couple of little daily supply zones there that have been created. As we can see, we've got a little wedge forming. Weekly demand zones are usually pretty strong. I gave the analysis out before. We look to have whipped off that trend line, so we could be finding support here. I'm looking to break this trend line, go back up maybe to the top of this wedge zone possibly. USD is heavily manipulated at the moment, so it's hard to judge really based on the US dollar. But as I say, weekly demand zones and supply zones are very strong, so at least I would like to see a reaction up to the trend line at a minimum, which will just take profit if it didn't break. If we do drop through this long-standing weekly trend line, then I will be looking to sell on the retest down to this monthly demand zone. So this is probably the last chance I want to throw a buy in right now. Risk small 1%. And see where we go from there. Yeah, so if we break this trend line and we break the weekly demand zone, then I will be looking to sell, possibly down to this monthly demand zone, maybe even lower. Could probably go down to this zone down here. But yeah, as for now, looking for a buy on this zone, small risk, multiple confluences. So yeah, hopefully we can get this one.